welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna describe some winter home hacks that could save thousands for you here in Canada. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, for many people winter in Canada is beautiful, but not for all, especially when you get intense snow. Okay, but in any way it's gonna be expensive because heating bills can shock you especially if you are a first time home buyer. So this could give you real shock. Okay, so or even for renters also, if heating bill is not included as part of your rent. So I'm going to tell you some smart winter hacks that can help you reduce the bill. It's not gonna help you eliminate the bill because that's not possible, but at least reduction can be done. So but yeah, some steps. If you are a renter, you need landlord's intervention, and if you're a landlord homeowner, you can do it yourself or you can get it done. First of all, like check insulation. Poor insulation increases heating cost dramatically, because if insulation is not proper, that's gonna leak the heat. Okay. Sealing of windows and doors is also very important, because even a tiny gap over there can leak outside cold air inside. That would increase your heating bills dramatically. So whatever happens in the world, get it checked and then get it through. Okay, and what there are few hacks. If you search my channel, you'll see some few hacks that I have described to seal your windows. So if you follow that is really helpful. Personally try it, guys. You can also use programmable thermostat, lower temperature at night or when outside. Okay, this is gonna help you, because at night if you have like blankets on, you may not need the same temperature to be maintained. So that means your furnace may not have to use the same amount of energy in order to generate the heat. Okay, that's very important. Now downspouts should be away from the foundation to prevent ice buildup. For this I have made various videos, so I hope this is clear to you. Furnace filters, if they are like reusable, clean them regularly. If they are like changeable, change them frequently, so that there's not enough buildup, because the more buildup over there, that's going to impact the efficiency. And another thing you can do, like you can trap the heat that is already generated inside. So although window sealing I have said, but if you have like curtains, that you can definitely use. Like if you use thick curtains, that can trap the heat. And if sunlight comes into your house during the day, move the curtains aside so that sunlight enters your house, because sunlight, natural heating is always better for your pocket, right? So if you follow these steps, definitely you can save something significant. So that is how it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.